Hi friends.
Hello, Raghav. Let's test your knowledge on art. Okay.
Yes, that you so funny.
Yes.
If you wanted to draw a mountain peak, which shape would you use?
Okay. If you draw a mountain, which shape will you use?
Mountain triangle.
Triangle, right. Select.
Triangle is the opposite of
Okay.
mountain.
Which set would you use to make a watercolor painting?
Which one is a watercolor painting?
The second one.
Very good.
If you wanted to draw an egg, which shape would you use?
Okay, first tell me, what are these shapes? First one,
First one triangle.
second one,
Second one rectangle.
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 Say loudly.
Rectangle.
Third one, hexagon.
Hexagon.
Look, triangle has got 3 sides. Rectangle has got 4 sides.
Yeah.
Hexagon has got 6 sides.
Yeah.
Huh? You understood?
Yeah.
And the fourth one is
egg.
egg. What? Yeah, egg. That is.
Like is zero.
Yes. So if you want to draw an egg, what will you use?
The
Last one, right?
Yeah.
Select.
Identify the crayon drawing.
Which one is a crayon drawing?
Crayon trick. The first one.
Very good.
Which piece of cloth has the popular Indian fish print?
Which one has got fish print?
Indian.
Okay, fish print.
The third one.
Yes, select.
If a glass bottle is full of strawberry jam, what color would you see on the outside?
Which one, Raghav? Strawberry jam.
Yeah. Outside.
Yeah. Oh, it's fine. I mean, which color you should use for strawberry jam?
Red.
Right. Select.
That is correct. Thank you.
Identify the musical instrument known as a piano.
What is the first instrument, Raghav?
Drums.
Drums.
Yeah.
And the second one?
Piano.
Select that. Piano.
Piano.
Which one is an outline drawing of a lion?
Which one is an outline drawing? Both are lions. But which one is just outline?
B.
Outline means just drawn. No coloring is done.
Yeah.
Which one?
The second one.
Second one is coloring is done, right?
Yeah.
The
And
first one is only outline.
Yeah. Outline.
Only outline.
Yeah.
If you wanted to draw a polka dot, which shape would you use?
Which one? Polka dot.
But cut out.
It's a dot, only dot.
Only dot. The
Yes.
dot a circle.
Identify the rangoli that has been made with flowers.
Flowers. The third one looks like flower.
Yes. Marigold flower, right?
Yeah. But I was doing like this.
Finished. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did you like this video? Give us a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button. Then we will see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.